everybody. This is a Casablanca 19th century ceiling fan. I got it at the Habitat today for $25. Well, and it is really cool. It's an antique fan replica. It's from the 90s. There's a newer version, but it's an older version because it has an older canopy on it. And we did have problems with the light shades. I'll show you that. So one of the problems is that one of the light shades right here is loose like that. The rest of the four are fine. Here's the other one right here. Cool, really cool shade. But anyway, okay, let's spin it. Wait, and it didn't come with the IntelliTouch control, which it would usually do. But I know you can get them off eBay or yeah. And it didn't come with the bolt on the top. So let's spin it. Okay, so we had a bit of a problem. It tipped over when I was spinning it. But let's just keep spinning it, but not too fast. Spinning it slowly. There it is, spinning. There it is. Bye.